This is an unusual sight these days. This is a pasture above the town of Beeve on the Bickham in North Ayrshire. This mass of white flowers here, these are pignuts. Pignuts have a sort of small nut at the base which can be dug up and eaten. It's very tasty. In the old days, school children in their break times used to go out into the pastures to eat these to supplement their lunch. Nowadays they're of such a rarity. One, you wouldn't want to dig them up anyway. Number two, you'd be hard pressed to find numbers such as this. That is a typical umbellifer. Same group as the hogweeds and the cow parsleys. Very distinctive structure to the flower. By comparison, this is cow parsley growing in the hedgerow. Much bigger plant than pignut, although very similar in appearance otherwise.